Cotton, 100%. Microwave heating pad. ThermiPaq Hot-Cold Pain Relief Wrap Extra Large features clay-based hot and cold therapy for deep penetrating relief. The pad is reusable and the soft fleece sleeve with velcro strap is machine washable for easy cleaning. Hot-Cold Pack. With a soft fleece cover adjustable velcro strap, the ThermiPaq Hot-Cold Pack Wrap can be secured to neck, shoulders, ankles, knees or elbows, molding to your body for targeted pain relief injury recovery. ThermiPaq is a leader in hot and cold packs for therapy. The heat pack uses a thermal ceramic compound from all-natural clay-based materials utilizing radiant energy to create a deep penetrating therapeutic system for hot-cold therapy. Reusable heat pack cold pack. The clay-based pad is reusable. It can be heated in the microwave and cooled in the freezer. The wrap releases its heat or cold slowly for a deeper penetration of therapeutic relief. For bruising, sprains, or swelling. Multi-use pack. A leader in ice packs for injuries and pain. A great ice pack for knee and a great surgery recovery gifts after ankle, shoulder, or knee surgery, also great for back pain. Also doubles as a neck wrap for neck pain. Great for headaches too. Top reviews from the United States. Provides great relief from pain in my neck. I have terrible spinal problems created by 20 years of working as an RN. I have 3 herniated discs and one of my vertebrae in my lower neck is not stable and therefore shifts back and forth over my nerves. I get into excruciating pain and ice seems to relieve it the best. I have tried different plastic ice pack but they were hard and stiff. I decided to give this ice a wrap a try. It is wonderful. I like that it molds right to the area that you need to apply it to. It is soft and the cover keeps the direct ice-cold temperature from freezing your skin. I have had mine for months now and I wouldn't hesitate to get another. I know you can also heat it in the microwave to use it as a heat pad as well. I haven't tried that because I have a separate heating pad. My dad also has a bad neck and back and just got out of the hospital after spending a week flat on his back. I lent him my cold relief pack and he loves it too. Guess I will be ordering another.